Hello YouTubers, today I got a Xbox One S right here. This one came in for, I guess you can guess, HDMI port. Customer said that he has moved it occasionally, but I asked him has he moved it since, getting a black screen or no signal, and can he see any damage on the HDMI port. So, if I take some tweezers here, you can see this thing is loose as a goose. You can see I'm just moving it. So obviously you can see there's signs. So I asked the customer if he wanted to put a new HDMI port or save a little bit of money and just swap the input if they don't use it. Normally customers don't use the input one. If they're not going to use it, then give them the option, if they want to save a little bit of money by just swapping it over. So what we're going to do is take this apart. And by taking this apart, we're going to actually put this on the BGA machine and then just swap over the ports, bring it back to the table, and just touch up the pads with the soldering iron and put it back together. Test it. So let's get started. Take off our warranty sticker here. These cases are a pain in the butt. Come on. This one's really on there. Holy cow. I don't think I've had a cover on there that tight for some reason. That thing was on there. Alright. Now the fun part. Taking it apart.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Chills, a nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Alright, we got our ghetto taping going on there. Now I'm just going to clean this area up with a Q-tip. So we want this nice and clean. I don't think any of the legs are on there. Let's just take a look at it real quick on our microscope. Alright, so I'm just going to prep these pads here with some solder. So when we set the other one on, since this one's off already, we're not even going to have to touch up the pins afterwards. But I always do anyways. Alright, we gotta get the fume extractor rolling here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna clean these. This one too. Road alcohol got under my tape. So lift up a little bit, oh well. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just swap this one over to here. We're gonna put it on the BGA machine and I'll be back. Alright, so we're at the BGA machine. We got our hemostats and we got our flux. So I'm just gonna flux this. That's good. Now I can hit the start button. And then we can perform our little easy swap. In theory, it should be easy. So we're gonna let this heat up. It's gonna take about roughly around 3 minutes. So I'll probably fast forward and then come back once it's almost done.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Alright, so you can see we swapped over the port from here, the input to the output. I got one little IC chip standing up right there. We're just going to flow that guy down back into place. Really doesn't matter, because that's for actually the input one. So I'm going to knock my air down here. Fume extractor. Alright. Alright, that's sat back down. Alright, we're going to check our pins here. You can see that they're all soldered. I don't know, my focus is not right for some reason. So you can see all the pins are on there. They're all soldered. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to hit it just to make sure. Alright, looks good. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use some rapid clean technology. What we're going to do is heat this area up so I get the flux a little bit warm. And we got our rapid clean technology locked and loaded. Rapid clean. Still got a little bit of flux there. See if I can get the toothbrush in there a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna have to reload my Rapid Clean container. Alright. You can see it looks like nice and clean up in there. Alright, so we got the new port on there. Now we can actually put it back together and test it. See if we get video, and hopefully HDMI power IC is not shot. Clean up here just a little bit, stuff that we don't need. I'm actually going to clean the port out too. I believe there's some flux inside here. Now we're done cleaning that. Now we can put it back together.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Lonely now, I'll give up everything. Daunting thought, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things
them in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything. Want a reality? Oh, wait, no. I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't make up. Don't make up. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Oh, wait, no. I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't make up. Don't make up. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
Alright, so the settings are just a little different. So I hope you guys liked the video of swapping the HDMI port, the internal input one to the output. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button to watch future videos. And as always, thanks for watching.